the Nadi temple in India with your thumbprint, and they read your thumbprint, and 210 million souls are back on planet Earth, risking falling into Maya. Are we all part of that group, or is it just random?
Anybody, the moment they see me, if you know, I know this guy, if you think, I know this guy, you are part of that.
Thank you.
The moment you see my photograph or me in the farm, if you feel, I know him, you are part of that group.
Swamiji, so I like I told you before, I left the IT business.
Actually, I tried to get two of those priests with a set of leaves to give a taste for all you guys.
Oh, man.
But we are not able to collect all your thumbprints before you came. We can even inform and get the thumbprint only for first 200, because the other 400 last 10-15 days decision. So they need at least a month. You see, either if you go physically, if you give immediately in 2 minutes, they will give you the leaf, your leaf. But if you are not physically, if I send bunch of the thumbprints for them to search and bring it, they needed a month. So that's why we could not. Otherwise, this time I was planning. All the participants with your thumbprint, the original leaf, they will give it to you. You can photograph, scan it, audio record, and take it and go and read, which will accurately have your father's name, mother's name, at least 20 information about your past without missing even one small thing. You see, there are some inauthentic sources in the modern day developed, but we have at least 3 or 4 people who are very authentic source, whom I actually use when I wanted to consult about our temple. See, for the temple in Biddi which we are building, there was a temple 600 years before in that area, same place. That linga only, the deity is same. The main deity is same. It is there. But I wanted to rebuild the temple as it was there. So I started downloading from Akashic records certain plans, maps and all that. And I wanted to have one more supporting document. And some of the final details, the fine length, breadth, meters, all that, feet, all that confirmation. So then we reached out to this guy who is very authentic. He gave some detailed information, how the temple existed, and he never visited our ashram, and he just gave 13 points from banyan tree, northeast 7 degree, 13 feet, from banyan tree, straight east, and 70 feet, 4 feet, like that and all. He gave the measurements from the leaf. We digged out all those places and found the old temple's remains.
Wow.
70 pieces of stones we recovered, pillars, and the old temple's remains. We recovered 70 pieces, exactly as he described. And he said, with all this, if you give it to Stabadi, they will give you the exact measurement. With that only we are building. And now these 70 pieces also we are adding into that temple to mention this, that 70 pieces will be platinum coated. The whole will be gold coated. And that 70 pieces will be, the border line will be drawn in platinum and it will be recorded there.
Wow.
This is recovered from the earlier 600 years before version of the temple.
Swamiji, was there a
And
karpa?
actually, that guy agreed. I asked him about this. He agreed. I'll do it, but I need 1 month, Swamiji. I said, then I told him, why don't you come to Biddi once? I'll promote you publicly and I'll tell all of my devotees, if they want to read their Nadi, I'll tell them to send it to you. He's a photo shy. The old man, a village type, and when I tell this, he will just stand with folded hands. Means he will tell, I don't want all that, Swamiji. You just, if you allow me to see you, that's enough. If I take your blessings, that's enough. You won't even take money from me. And I really wanted to promote him. I'm putting it on our Facebook, and saying that whoever, because he is so authentic. Of course, he takes some money to run his family, that is different. But he doesn't compromise on the integrity of the information, and he doesn't compromise on any of the traditions, presenting the whole thing to you. I wanted to promote his name. He's not agreeing. And maybe I'll send few people, few by few, one or two by, and I know that's a problem.
Swamiji, was there a garba?
Huh?
Was there a garba under that when you originally found the pieces of the temple that you brought? Was there a garba underneath?
No, Garbha was kept in a different place.
Oh, okay.
The Garbha, I can make it new. That is not a problem. But the measurements exactly.
Wow.
For that, I needed a corner stones and all. We got all those corner stones, everything.
Wow. Swamiji, I have another question.
The whole temple will be the largest temple for Shiva, and the first, at least in the modern times, first golden temple for Shiva. Still, Mahadeva has no golden temple in the world in the modern times. Tanjavur temple was golden temple. Tiruvarur temple was golden temple in those days. But in the modern day, there is no golden temple as on now. We will be the first golden temple for Mahadeva.
Wow.
Completely gold blasted, the whole temple. The temple means the 5 item. The Garbha Mandir, Ardha Mandapa, Mukha Mandapa, Maha Mandapa, Dvajastamba Mandapa. The whole, that is called temple. The whole first prakaram will be gold coated.
Thank you, Swamiji. I have another question. So I talked to you earlier that I quit my job and resigned to come here, and I was in IT for 20 years. And I'm wondering, I'm a musician, photographer. I do a lot of other things that I have a lot of interest in. I really love doing the music part. And I was wondering, is that my true path?
No. When you go back, you should do something where all this is used. IT, music, photography, everything is used. You will become a brand.
Okay.
I tell you.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Never what you do should be a brand. Always understand. You should become a brand. That you are doing so many things, that will only make you successful.
Great. Thank you.
It's a lesson for everyone.
Thank you.
Take it up.
Pakistan.
Great.
Pakistan.
Swamiji.
It may take little 1 or 2 years, but I tell you, put you as a brand, all your integrity, authenticity, which is spiritual qualities, will be used for your life to be kept happy, blissful. With less time work, you will have more benefits and lot of free time to do spiritual work.
Awesome. Swamiji, I had a vision yesterday. It's one of the first times I ever had it. So we were sitting here, and I had a view of the woods, kind of from above, and I saw a bunch of horses. And then I saw gold on the sides of the horses, and then I saw chariots. And then I saw Shiva actually sitting on the horse. And he went right past in my vision. And I was like, am I just imagining that, or is that real? And that's a darshan, right?
Real darshan.
Wow.
As I said, this hall nobody is allowed to imagine.
It's amazing.
Swamiji, yesterday I felt like Bhagwan Ram came to Shabri after thousands of years, and finally she got that darshan, and she was able to do Abhishek with tears of the Guru, means Rama. So thank you for that wonderful experience, and the mala again. Thank you very much.
He has not removed it after that. Good. Come on, that has become old. Have this one. This will not become old for quite a long time. That flower withers away. This will not wither away. Blessings. Have it. Blessings.
Thank you. Thank you very, very much, Swamiji. One request I have, and only you can bless with this. I talked to a lot of kids, and when they were also writing their wishes, I said, now the boss of boss is giving you to write. Why don't you guys write, become president of US? They're born and brought up in US. But they write like software programmer or sannyasi. I told you can be sannyasi and still be president. There is no, those two paths don't cross each other. So I encourage, there are so many talented people here. Not only they create 5 kids for the Gurukul, but with these powers, they, become higher places and whatever country they are. Thank you, Swamiji.